This tutorial explains how to start a new inspection in rMetrix. Before starting a new inspection, make sure that the accelerometer and GPS devices are connected to your computer and make sure that the GPS is turned on. To start a new inspection, click on the New Inspection button in the Getting Started with rMetrix screen. Alternatively, you can navigate to File, New Inspection. The New Inspection Setup screen will guide you. Each successful step is designated with a green check mark. The first check is for the inspection name. In previous versions of rMetrix, the inspection name had to be manually specified before starting a new inspection. Moving forward, the inspection name is auto-generated with the current timestamp. This inspection name and metadata can be edited at any time prior to, during, or after an inspection. If you wish to change the inspection name or metadata before starting the inspection, click on the link under the inspection name. This will pull up an inspection information screen in which you can edit the inspection name or add metadata to the inspection. Besides the inspection name, all other metadata fields are optional. You can fill out some, all, or none of the data. The Populate button can be used to fill out these fields from a previous inspection. If you want any of these fields to be included in exception email notifications, simply use the checkbox next to the field. If you have your own metadata fields that you would like to track for your inspections, contact us and we can train you to modify the default metadata and the screen. The second check is for the GPS. If the GPS is connected correctly to the computer, the software will automatically detect it. You can click on the Redetect link if you connected the GPS after getting to the screen. You can also click on the Change GPS Settings link to edit the default GPS settings if necessary. The last check is to calibrate or verify the calibration of the connected sensors. This process should be performed when the vehicle is not moving and is on a level surface. Click on this link to calibrate or verify the sensor calibrations. If this is the first time you are running the software, you must calibrate the accelerometer by clicking the Calibrate Accelerometer button. For future new inspections, the software stores the last known calibration dataset. To use this calibration dataset, just close out the window. To update the calibration, click on the Calibrate Accelerometer button. To change the performance standard, location, or G-range of the sensor, click on the sensor name. Modify the default accelerometer settings. Click on Connect and Save. After data is streaming, click on the Disconnect button. Close this window and this window to continue. With these 3 green check marks, you can now click on the Start Inspection button. During an inspection, there are 3 primary data windows: GPS, Sensor, and Exception. These data windows are synchronized and provide an overview of the inspection in progress. The GPS window displays data from the GPS as a trail of green dots. The Sensor data window displays acceleration data from the connected accelerometers. The Exception data window displays information about the exceptions generated during an inspection. To end an inspection, click on Inspection, End, and click Yes when prompted. At this point, each of the data windows will display an overview of the entire inspection for reviewing, reporting, and analyzing.